this is Daphne, and today I will show you how to make sugar condiments. So you're gonna need white sugar, preferably, and if you don't have white sugar, brown sugar is also possible. The only thing is it's gonna be more difficult to get the flavor, so I recommend white sugar. Then you're gonna need mint. I use Moroccan mint because it has a very strong flavor and it's more refreshing. Then you'll need cinnamon. If you don't have cinnamon sticks, you can use cinnamon powder. I use a combination of both. And you're gonna need a vanilla pot. Any vanilla pot works. I use vanilla from Tahiti.